Most of us just pay up and move on. Not this man, though. Meet Barry Moss. Barry, thanks for coming in tonight. So you're taking on Bolton Council.
Yes.
Tell us more.
I received a parking fine last year. They're actually called penalties, but the word fine can't be used. You could actually have your penalty charge notice revoked if you use the word fine. I fell on the way getting back to my car, and I was too late getting back. They wouldn't cancel my ticket after giving them some representations, so I decided to find out why a council would reject legitimate representations.
Right, and you think that Bolton Council are illegally issuing parking penalties,
Yes,
as it were?
in this year, in May, I took on Bolton Council when adjudication won. There was a word missing off a sign. The word was holy.
So that was the loophole?
Not a loophole, no, it's not a loophole. The word should have been legally on the sign.
So what did the sign actually say?
The sign, on the sign as you drive into the car park, it says, you must park within a bay.
And it should have said?
You must park wholly within a bay.
Now, what I don't understand is surely the spirit of the law is quite clear. It says you must park within a bay. Most people would take that to mean you can't sprawl across it or park slightly outside of it. And isn't that spirit of the law, you know, the whole point?
Yes, to a certain extent, but the council have to act within the letter of the law. And because that word was missing, the sign was unlawful.
So that term, you must park wholly within the parking space, is the black letter of the law. That's what it says.
Yes,
the
because that word
match
was
those.
missing, the traffic regulation order was invalid. If the traffic regulation order is invalid, the contravention cannot take place.
Now, I hear you're trying to prove a point, and you've deliberately been parking over the lines in order to bring cases forward and challenge the council.
No,
is
it's
that
not
right?
just the lines, it's virtually everything in Bolton is unlawful. Bolton is a lawless council, and I am out to prove it. I have recently sent 10 requests under the Freedom of Information Act, and it's very important this 14,000 people went to a bailiffs since 2001.
Because of parking penalties?
Yes.
Now,
there was a guy I went to last week. I went to see fair play. He had to hand over £384 to the bailiff for a contravention which was illegal.
Now, I have to say, I was wondering when I was reading this story, Barry, where you find the time to become a parking law expert?
Well, after I got my penalty charge notice, I decided to research as why a council would just reject it out of hand like that. So on the internet, on the forums, there's quite a few forums out there you can go on and find information. You put a post in, people will get back to you with the information, and you take it from there.
Now, how's the council responded to your action?
They're not. They're just not talking to me. They won't. They don't reply to my letters.
But presumably,
as soon as I get on the phone, I say, can I have some information about penalty charge notice? They'll say, is it your penalty charge notice, Mr. Moss? They know my voice.
But you've obviously contravened their rules a number of times in order to
no, the others have yet to be they've yet to be adjudicated on.
Oh, I see.
But I am confident that I will win.
Well, it's interesting. I don't know whether to say good luck to you, but certainly some interesting activities. Barry Moss, thanks very much for coming in tonight.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Now, imagine one of your kids needed hospital treatment